God bless you. Send and go give your friend. Yeah?
That's all now.
Send and give her, may see what the friend
number. Useless work, wait.
So I try to disconnect them for where just see the smoke, the spark. So don't explode. I know safer. I know. Thank God stay at the house. Thank God stay at the house. Leave there. Now this is a lithium battery that they convert them for that they convert them one by one. Thank God say not be night so. This year, I don't know before. They convert lithium battery. They convert the lithium battery for solar. One for New Benin. Thank God say not be inside house. No say I say go explode. Battery. Not fuse, the battery don't bridge. I don't disconnect everything. You say? You don't finish now. Say for night. Later.
This small battery, and